Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video, we will learn some mathematical functions available in Microsoft Excel. So there are 5 very known and famous functions which I have picked for this video: round, round up, round down, ceiling and floor. So let's get started. So equals to round. So the first argument is the number and how many number of digits we want to get this number round. So if we don't want any decimal places, we will write 0. So it will move towards 45.98 will convert into 46, right? Or you can have the 2 decimal places. Okay. Then we have round up. So equals to round up, number, and how many number of digits you want after the dot. So I don't want any digits, 0, bracket close, it goes to 66. If it is 65.4, it also goes to 66 because it's rounding the number upside. Okay, so it doesn't matter that after decimal it's 0.5 or greater than that. If it's 65.1, still it will be 66. Then round down. So equals to round down, number, and then num digits, 0, it goes to 65. Okay, ceiling. Okay, so let's equals to ceiling, bracket open, number, and what kind of a significance you want to make this number. So we'll say should be 5. So next would be 15. So it will be a significant because ceiling does the rounding up of a number. So from the original number it will definitely go up until yet that it should become the significance of 5. Same with the floor, but the floor does the round down thing. We pick the number, and if we say make it significance of 5, so the next number will be 10. Okay, so this is how we can use some mathematical functions in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.